Ready to refresh your home? Here are 5 design trends for 2025, and we are here to show you how to bring them to life. Farmhouse style is evolving in 2025 with a more refined twist. Think warm wood tones and timeless textures. Our faux wood beams and reclaimed shiplap wall panels make it easy to get this elevated farmhouse look without the hassle of real wood. Less is more. Modern minimalism is all about sleek surfaces and natural elements. Our smooth wood beams and stone wall panels add just the right touch of texture while keeping your space clean and sophisticated. Traditional design is making a comeback with rich details, elegant finishes, and timeless craftsmanship. Our faux wood beams and decorative columns bring that classic charm to your home effortlessly. Make a statement. Bold accent walls are a must-have in 2025. Our faux wood shiplap and stone wall panels let you add drama and dimension without heavy materials or complicated installs. First impressions matter. In 2025, grand entryways are a top trend, setting the tone for your home's design, whether exposed wood beams, statement columns, or an accent wall. Ready to start your 2025 transformation? Shop Barron Designs today and bring these trends home.